Apple Notes can search through all your notes in the app or a single notebook at a time. We'll start with searching a single notebook. The long way to do this is to go to Edit on the menu bar. Now you can search for anything in this notebook. The found terms are highlighted throughout your notes if they're text. Apple Notes on the Mac is terrible for searching your handwriting. The term you're on is yellow, while all the others are white. And you can navigate through them using the arrows on the search bar. Or using the return key on your keyboard. Apple Notes can fine-tune what you're searching for to focus on complete words, words starting with what you're searching, or words that contain the characters or the word you're searching, no matter where it is in that word. You can also untick Ignore case if you want the search to filter your results, respecting the case, whether it is a capital or not. Wraparound is not making any changes that we can pick up. Please let us know if you can notice any changes or if you know what this is for. You can also choose not to include attachments. Lastly, you can insert a pattern to look for words associated with several items in your notes. These could be a tab, paragraph. There's a lot of these filters. Some are a hit and miss though. They don't seem to work, or we simply don't have that option in our notes at the moment. The fastest way to search your open notebook is using Command F. Ticking replace lets you find and replace the word you search. So for example, let's replace to with humans. Let's choose to only affect complete words. The replace button under the navigation arrow replaces a word at a time. It's good when you don't want to replace all the words in your notebook. But all replaces all the found terms at once, which is faster and will save you a lot of time. Shift Command F is the shortcut for find and replace. To search through all the notes in the app, go to the search bar on the main toolbar. Searching takes you away from your notes to show you results that are grouped in different ways depending on what the app has found. This search result has top hits, some notes, and one attachment. You can fine-tune your search to focus on shared notes, and notes with a lot of different characteristics. Let's refine our search to focus on notes with tags and the word demo. You see how easy it becomes to find terms when you narrow what you're searching through. Apple Notes even does this with accounts in the app. So far, we were searching all the accounts, but you can turn on the current account, which is where your current selected folder is located. I am tired of Apple Notes crushing on me lately. Have any of you guys also experienced this as well? Do let me know. Anyway, the current account in this case is iCloud because that is where my folder is located. The folder that contains this notebook we have open. But if I open a notebook on my Mac, for example, that becomes my current account. And that is all about searching in Apple Notes on the Mac.